I mean, right now, I just can't get over the fact that I've been living for thousands of years in this tiny lamp, and finally someone has rubbed me the right way so I can live my best life. What's good, everybody? It's Nadia, or should I say Genie, and with the new Aladdin film out, what better time than now to recreate the iconic Genie. First things first, give this video a thumbs up for Aladdin and the Genie. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you get notifications when I upload. Shout out to my boyfriend PJ for suggesting I do this look. I was actually originally going to do Jasmine and he was like, woman, do the Genie, like a female version. And I was like, oh my god, yes, you're a genius. Great idea. I'ma do it. And that's exactly how it went. And I kind of feel like Genie is the main character in Aladdin anyway. Like, I mean, you know, I've added my own little flair on it. We still got the one hoop though, just a little bigger. The bigger the hoop, the bigger the gone ahead and added a little nose piercing as well, and obviously a cut crease because Genie's wife can't go past a cut crease. Also, while we're here, if you had 3 wishes, what would they be? Let me know in the comments down below. And you can't wish for more wishes, remember that's a thing in Aladdin. We gotta stick to the rules here. Shout out to my homie Aladdin for setting me free so I could come here today to show you guys how I get ready. Woo! So I hope you guys appreciate it. And don't forget, you ain't never had a friend like me. Okay, so to start with, I'm using the Kryolan Ultra Foundation in TV White, and I'm just applying that all over my face with a sponge. Now, the reason why I'm using a cream-based foundation in white is to make sure that blue is so opaque. I'm then setting this with Nye Colorless Powder. We want this colorless so it doesn't change the color of the white. And then I'm grabbing my neon blue face and body paint by Tag and applying this all over my face with a sponge. Now this is going to be the first layer of blue paint, but we're going to go over the top of this with a brush, and by doing this technique you actually get a way more opaque base. Like, I wanted this blue to be so opaque and they were sold out of cream colored paint, so I had to resort to this. Yeah, make sure you're getting it in every nook and cranny because Genie's hair's up, so you're gonna see your ears, and then just blending that down to my neck, all over my chest, just all the areas that are gonna be in shot really. I'm then grabbing a spoolie just to remove some of that excess paint in my brows. Now, we don't want to leave this whole thing blue because then we'll just look like a blue blob. So I'm grabbing that TV White and I'm blending that with a beauty blender on my forehead in the middle, on my nose, under my eyes, basically everywhere that I would normally highlight, just to add some dimension to the face. You can add this above the lip, on the cupid's bow, on the chin, under the jawline. Basically baking, but with the cream foundation. So this will help to actually make your base look even more flawless in case there were any patches. And then I'm just applying this to the high points on my neck and my collarbones. And now it's time for our Benna brow. So I'm grabbing Benefit Cosmetics Brow number 4 and Precisely My Brow in 4.5. And I'm just applying that to my brows as I normally would, but just a little bit heavier, just so we get those really dark brows. And then I'm going over the top of this with a black liner. I think this one was from Chi Chi, but any black liner will do. I'm then going in with the Nye Colorless Face Powder again and a powder brush, and I'm just applying that everywhere where I applied that cream foundation to highlight, just to make sure that it sets really nicely. I'm then grabbing the NYX Cosmetics Primal Colors eyeshadow in Hot Blue, and using a contour brush, I am contouring the hell out of my face, because if Genie was a girl, she'd be snatched AF, okay? I love this shadow, by the way. It's so pigmented. I'm applying that basically everywhere I would normally contour, and then also in all of the, what's the word? Hollows. That's it. Hollows of my neck and collarbones. Basically the opposite of what we did when we highlighted. And then using a smaller brush, I'm just defining my nose a little bit more as well. Oh, she had a nose job. I'm then using a small shadow brush and blending that in the outer corners of my eyes and also into the crease. And then I'm going ahead and dragging that outwards and up just to create that big, like, dramatic look. Picking up the Morphe 35B palette, I'm picking up the darker blue shade in that, and I'm just going to add some depth to my eye in the same areas that I added that other blue shade. Now, like I said before, Genie ain't complete without a cut crease, so using Born This Way concealer in the shade Nude, I'm using a small concealer brush and I'm just doing like a semicircle to cut out my crease. And then I'm using a shadow brush to blend out the edges of that concealer. And using the white from the same palette and a small shadow brush, I'm applying this over the top of the concealer. This not only sets the concealer, but it also provides a nice base for us to work on. And then I'm just blending out the edges into that as well. And using the Fenty Beauty Killawatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter Palette, I'm picking up that white shade and then also the blue shade and applying that to the lid. And I kind of felt like this wasn't dramatic enough, so I picked up the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Pigment in the shade Icy, and bam! There you go. You can see it. I'm applying this really slow because I don't want it to drop underneath my eyes. And then picking up the two blue shades we used on the eyes before, I'm picking them up and blending them underneath the eyes and then pulling them upwards to match the shape. Obviously, because this is a fantasy look, you can be as dramatic as you want here. And then using the Fenty Beauty Vivid Aligner in the shade Skinny Dip. Ooh! I just feel like this completes the whole look, adding even more blue because there obviously wasn't enough. So I am trying to get rid of as much skin peeping through as possible. So I'm using the Rimmel Scandaleyes eyeliner in Cobolt and just lining my eyes with that. I'm then picking up the Too Faced Glitter Glue and Wild at Heart's glitter and applying this underneath my eyes just to add a little bit of sparkle. Woo! Magical! And then for my highlight, I'm picking up that Icy Pigment again from ABH and just going crazy with this, really. I'm really just applying as much as possible to my cheeks, my cupid's bow, my nose, my brow bone. I just want to be glowing. Woo! Okay, Genie. Woo! For my lashes, I use the Huda Beauty lashes in Sasha. I love these lashes, guys. They're just so dramatic, just like the Genie. And using the NYX Hot Blue Shadow, I am blending that into my hairline with a shadow brush and then just accentuating my already really big cheeks. My lips, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics lip kit in Freedom. I'm using the lip liner from this. Just going ahead and lining my lips because that's what you do with lip liner. Go figure. And then for the actual color, I'm using the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in Jet Set. Ooh, and I don't know how to tell you how satisfying this was to cover up that last bit of skin with blue. Ooh. And that's it, guys. We're done. Woo! Except I've still got human hands. Ugh. And my hair's not very lit. I got this. Yes, Genie come through. I am feeling myself today. Okay, you got 3 wishes. Woo! Okay, I lied, I'm not done. I'm grabbing the Fenty Beauty highlighter again. I'm just highlighting my collarbones, my neck, my shoulders. Ooh, look at that glow. And as if that wasn't enough, I'm grabbing some blue glitter and I'm just covering my whole body with it. So this is the final Genie look. I am super happy with how this turned out today. I didn't really know what I was gonna do today. I mean, like, I knew I was gonna be blue, obviously, but I just grabbed a whole bunch of blue stuff and started going when I was filming and just adding more and more, and this is the look we came out with. So let me know what you think to this look in the comments down below. If you recreate this look, make sure you tag me. I would love to see. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Share this video if you can. It always helps, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye!